Every auspicious gathering begins with invoking of the blessings of the divine. So now let us begin this afternoon on a spiritual and graceful note. I invite our talented students to present an invocation dance, a tribute to the Almighty, seeking strength, light, and wisdom in all endeavors. Let this performance set the tone for the afternoon, filled with reverence, rhythm, and radiance.
Shri Saraswati Kama Koti Pika Nivasini Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Kama Koti Pika Nivasini Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Kama Koti Pika Sagamata